Hello everyone, today we'll be installing the trunk floor tray for the classic Jeep Renegade. It is an extremely quick and simple installation procedure. All we need to do is open the vehicle trunk. As is clear, this model does not come equipped with a trunk floor tray from the factory. Therefore, we simply need to place our custom tray right on top of this area to complete the process. We'll hold the trunk floor tray in this initial position, then carefully tilt it slightly to one side, allowing it to gently settle onto the designated plastic supports located along the very edge of the vehicle's trunk. And then we just simply have to lower the trunk floor tray so it properly fits into place. And that concludes the process. As you can clearly see, this truly is a very quick and straightforward installation. Naturally, just like with all of our trays, this one features an integrated handle. This allows us to effortlessly lift it up and then lower it back into position once we've placed any objects into the false bottom storage area. You can discover all of our available products for purchase directly on our website, carbootplatform.com. Should you have any inquiries, please feel free to reach out to us. We would be delighted to assist you. Thank you.